Hello Zili users, need to log into your account? I got you. Let's sign in quickly and start exploring. First, open Zili app on your phone. Now choose your login method, Google, Facebook or phone number. If you are using a phone number, enter your country code and phone number. Tap Get OTP and check your messages and enter the code to verify. That's it. You are now signed in and ready to enjoy trending videos. If you are having trouble logging in, try clearing the app cache or checking your internet connection. What's your favorite type of video to watch on Zili? Let me know in the comments. The logging in process is similar to the signing up process, but if you already have an account and you log in, then you can get the access of your previous account. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.